It's a great night for grilling. Scotty's live in Irondequoit with the aftermath of the big meal. I hope it was a good one, Scotty.
Yeah, another success, Maureen. Thank you very much. We're here at the Colosso residence and here talking to Angelo. So, Angelo, we didn't really talk about it at 5, but why did you enter the contest?
I entered the contest to thank all of our family and friends who volunteered for us for the walk. They've been with us for the last 4 years, and they put in a lot of time and effort. And like I said, we don't have that much of a budget. Our budget is whatever's in the bank account, so there's no way we could really thank them. I mean, they really step up and help us with everything, and they just give as much time as they can. And
now, how many bucks do you guys have you raised so far since you've become an organization, and where do you send it?
We raised a little over $30,000, and we sent it to the OI Foundation, which is homed in Gaithersburg, Maryland. And 100% of the money that we raise goes directly to them.
Okay, so this is really just about raising awareness of this very rare but serious disease that happens in utero often, correct?
Yep. Usually it's a genetic disorder, but with Allie's case, it was just a freak mutation. And when we got the blood test back from her, genetics test back from her, they said it was the second reported case ever in the world of this type of mutation happening.
Wow, no kidding. Yeah. But there's brighter news, though. You also, since that time, have had a brand new baby girl.
Yep, we have Ella Joy, and she's healthy. They told us that it was going to be 1 to 2% chance that she might have OI, but we were thinking, well, it was 1 to 2% chance with Allie, so we were nervous until we saw her born.
Did you know that she had a genetic inkling to ice? She loves ice.
I don't know.
She loves ice. She's been going back and forth to that cooler, man, for the last hour, just grabbing her ice and coming back. For more information on Allie's Shave Project, go to our website, rochesterhomepage.net. Go on the web links, and you'll find it there. Great family. Thank you all very much. All right. We send it back to you guys. A successful barbecue for all.
Thank you, Scotty.
You are going to